Interviews. I know the word itself gives you a lot of nervousness, anxiety. And what if you are done with the interview and now the interviewer gives you an opportunity to be the interviewer? That is, the interviewers ask you, do you have any questions for me? You are nervous. You don't know what to ask. So in this video, I will share with you 5 smart questions that you can ask the interviewer, and this will show your interest and your intellect to the interviewer. Now, if you are watching and here on this channel for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Rachna Kakkar, RK, and I am a career and a resume specialist. I help professionals like you in career acceleration, job search, and making a super powerful resume that can help you get the job. Not just any job, get the job. And if you are interested to know what are the 5 smart questions that you can ask the interviewer which will leave an impression in the mind of the interviewer. So do watch this video till the end and don't miss to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post a new video which could be of use to you, you will get a notification. Now, most of the interviews end with this question that is coming from the interviewer. Do you have any questions for me? It is always great to be prepared with such questions in advance. Another important tip here is to be very attentive during the conversations and during the interviews, because a lot of times you can also get questions from there. Never make the mistake of saying, no, I do not have any questions, or no, that's it. So let's jump into and let's see what are those 5 questions that you can ask the interviewer. So, number 1, you can ask questions related to the job, but make sure you have gone through the job description very carefully and you know and understand what could be the day-to-day job responsibilities. So, questions like, what does a typical day look like? Or what are the most important areas where you would want me to focus as soon as I take over this position? Or what are the skills or attributes you are looking for in an ideal candidate? Could be great questions to ask related to the job. Next area could be questions related to the company. Now, this will show your interest to be a part of the company. You can ask questions related to the vision of the company, or where does the company see itself in the next 5 or 10 years. Or you could ask questions related to the product or plans of the company, or any new products or growth plans of the company. But here, please make sure that you do not go completely blank. You have done your research also and you are aware of the existing product and services of the company. The next area could be about the team that you're working with. So, your questions could be around the team that you will work with. For example, can you tell me something about the team that I will be working with? Who would I be directly reporting to? Or what are the career paths with this department? Or will I also be working with any other departments, or we will be associated with any other departments. Coming to the next area, which could be your own performance, and this is a very smart question to ask the interviewer, because a lot of time this question gives an impression to the recruiter that you are genuinely interested to provide a real value for the company. So question like, what do you want me to accomplish in the next 30 days or next 60 days of taking over this position? Trust me, it's a very smart question to ask. And the last area could be about the next step in this interview process. So maybe you can ask the interviewer that what is the next step in this process, or you would want to end the conversation with this question that, do you have any more questions for me? So these are the 5 areas based on which you can frame your questions to ask the interviewers. And I shared just few examples. Based on these areas, you can make many more other questions. So if you found this useful, come on, give the thumbs up and do leave your feedback in the comments. I look forward to reading them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I will see you soon with my next video. And if you are finding my videos useful, if you are finding the videos on this channel useful, go ahead, share it with more people, because knowledge is all about sharing. So cheers and all the best for a great career ahead.